So after a while, the participants will have played quite a bit, hopefully, with their dough. And what you can do is you can start to pull it a bit with them, perhaps do tug of war in effect, and get them to grasp one end and gently pull to see just how stretchy that dough has become. And it's at this point that you can start talking, because your bottles, your balloons have blown up, the mixture in the bottles has become all bubbly, and you can start talking about the actual process that is taking place. In the bottles we have the yeast having started to eat the sugar in the bottles, and you can ask people what is happening. And the answer is that the yeast is giving off carbon dioxide, a gas, as it eats the sugars and the food in the bottles. You can then talk about the job that gluten does, which is the job that the balloon is doing here. Gluten is a protein, and as you work the dough, it becomes stronger and stronger, and it therefore becomes strong enough to capture the gas as it's given off by the yeast eating the food in the dough. And so it's these two parts of the process that come together to create a lovely dough that rises, is very gassy, and has a lovely structure. And this is the part of the project that people really do find interesting, and for many people, I'd say, is probably a great learning experience for them.